to my channel. I am Hita Sharma. Today I am going to show you how to create a magic fizzy potion. So get ready to make fizzy magic potion, and later I will tell you the science behind this. Fizzy magic potions are 2 cups, citric acid and baking soda, 2 food colors, blue and yellow, and 1 measuring cylinder. I already poured water 25 ml into it, and this is my spatula. Water 25 ml into the first cup. Then add 2 drops of blue and yellow color. Then take the second cup and add 1 scoop of baking soda. And 1 scoop of citric acid. Now pour the water into the second cup, and now mix. There you have it. Now the science behind is when citric acid and baking soda mix together in the water, a chemical reaction takes place. And you saw these bubbles in the cup. These bubbles are carbon dioxide, and the carbon dioxide is released. You can also saw this in a soft drink water bottle. Thank you. And in another video we will meet again with new experiments. Thank you. Bye bye.